Who's a handsome baby? Who's a handsome baby? Who's a handsome baby?
I am.
Are we hanging in for the snowstorm?
We're watching The Visit.
Yeah. Right, go ahead. What are we watching?
The Visit.
That's right. And what are we doing? Hanging in for the snowstorm. Are you going to go out in the snow and play? You going to go run around? Are you going to build a snowman? Yeah? Your first snowman? Tell me. You going to build your first snowman?
This is when they put the thing in the oven.
Hi.
Yeah, put her in the oven and try to make her.
Are you going to build a snowman? Yes, tell me. Tell me. Who's the handsome prince? I know.
Oh, he looks so cute.
You do. See? Sissy said you look so cute. Yeah. Grrr. Yeah. Hi. Hi. What's up, Cash? I could record you all day because you're so handsome. Oh, what? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. You want to go sledding? Yes, I think you do. I know. Tell me, tell me. Yeah? When you're a little bit bigger, I'll really take you sledding, okay?
If you could be any animal, what would you be?
Yes.
No, question.
Tell me. What else? Do you say bye to the camera? Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye, Cassie, Cassie, Cassie. Say bye, my lovey, 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 lovey. I know, you're just so funny. I love you. I just love you. I just love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. All right, say bye, because I can record you all day. Oh. All right, say bye.
What happened on the
I know you don't want to say bye. You love the camera. You love it. But we got to feed you. Yes. Yeah. All right, say bye. Say bye.
Mom, look at him.